Look, look. It's not food. It's bubbles. I think it's all soap and no glycerin because these bubbles are kind of weak. Yeah. Oh, he almost got one. What are you giving the What are you giving the eyebrows for? Let me eat your eye. Oh. Oh. What? What?
Baby! Baby!
There's a baby somewhere. I hear it too.
Baby!
I don't know.
Mommy!
I don't know where it at.
Mom!
What?
Mom!
I'm not picking you up right now. You're playing with bubbles.
Mommy! Mommy!
I'm not giving you the bubbles.
Mom!
Fine, I'll pick you up. What? What? What?
Baby!
There's a baby. Baby.
Baby!
There's a baby somewhere.
Baby!
Baby.
Baby!
You hear the baby.
Baby!
Her face. Remember, did you use that little baby cry? Huh?
Baby!
Baby.
Eye!
What's wrong with your eye?
Baby! Baby!
Her face.
Baby! Baby! Baby!
Baby.
Baby!
Here's the eyebrows.
Baby!
It's not out there. Look, it's not out there. It's not out there. See? Nothing's out there. No baby. It's coming from somebody else's apartment. Somebody's got a sad baby.
Mama!
Somebody got a baby with a bad diaper, or they're hungry or something. Or the baby fell.
Boo-boo!
Yeah, maybe a boo-boo. Yeah. Owie. What?
Boo-boo!
But what do you want? You want me to lift you, or do you want me to do the bubbles?
Boo-boo!
Okay, I put you down. I put you down, and then no, no. That's not how this works. It's not up and bubbles. It's either bubbles or it's up. Which one? Are the bubbles? Yeah, oh, look at the owie. So which is it? You want the bubbles?
No!
No.
No! Oh!
Good trying to eat them. Oh. Oh.
Mama! Mommy!
No, your mommy's not here. Oh, little bubbles. Oh my god, there's the bubbles. Yeah. Oh my god, there's the bubbles. Oh, that one was a big bubble.
Bubble!
Hey, don't do that.
No!
Because I said so, that's why. I need to get Household Hackers recipe for bubbles because those are huge. Ooh. Bubble. Oh, that's the right thing over there. Oh, little bubbles. One that just landed on the lens? That was awesome. So, this is Bubble Baby Sunday. Normally it's a weekend webcam video where I just rant and ramble and all that sorts. But this is today. Or was. Yeah, I really did land on the lens. Holy cow. Hold on. Is it going to be... It's going to be a pain. Okay. It's going to be like that. Alright. Wow. Alright. Yeah. Hey, close enough. So, that concludes today's vlog. Bubble Baby Sunday. Yeah. Rubber Baby Buggy Bumpers. Ha! How about that? That'll be the title. That'll be the title. And, Boo-Boo, quit picking your nose. Hey, that'll be the thumbnail. That face. That face. No! That face. No, not that face. No, the face from when she heard the babies. That face. That's the face. Yeah, that's gonna be the face. So, I'll tell you guys later. Don't forget to like this video. Subscribe if you have not already. Comment my favorite chair. All that wonderful stuff. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace.